Check engine light comes on. Diagnostic trouble code P0420, the infamous catalyst efficiency code. Tendency, go replace the cat. You know, you could have an air leak, and Pete, you got a tip and trick that's going to solve that problem.
Well, it's going to help you find it, that's for sure, John. There are several things that can cause that code to set, and it's based on the readings the oxygen sensors in front of and back of the catalytic send to the engine control module. One of the things that can affect that, as you mentioned, is air leaks in the exhaust. How to find them? Go grab that shop vac you got sitting in the corner of your shop, take the hose off the suck side and put it on the blow side. And stick the hose in the exhaust, tape it in, turn it on, and use some soapy water and a sprayer to go down the exhaust and look for leaks, especially where exhaust components connect, the oxygen sensor bungs, and the infamous flex pipe. Find a leak, the oxygen sensor starts reading true, and you find out the catalytic converter is just fine.
You want to hang out with cool guys like this and get some of the world's best training? Just go to DormanTrainingCenter.com.